Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth controller to your ACER Chromebook 315. So first let's enable Bluetooth by opening the control center on our laptop, then go into Bluetooth, and before we pair a new device, let's put our controller into pairing mode. If you have a controller like this one, a DualSense controller, PS5 controller, or any other name that you use for it, you're gonna have to hold down the PS button and create button, which is located right here. Hold them down until you see the lights on your controller start throbbing like this, and at this point select pair new device on your screen and then select your DualSense controller from the list. And if you have an Xbox controller, instead what you're gonna have to do is first press the Xbox button, which is located right at this in this spot, and then hold down the pairing button, which is located right here. Hold it down and then proceed with the same steps. So just go to your Bluetooth, select pair new device, and you'll see your Xbox controller on the list. Then just select it and you'll be connected to it. To disconnect your controller, you just have to select it in the Bluetooth menu, and now you can forget it by clicking forget right here, confirm, and now you are disconnected. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.